There's one pickup truck that was hit by a wrecking ball, set on fire, and then they parked it on top of a collapsing building and it still drove away. That truck has become legendary, but it's not the only indestructible beast on four wheels. Today, we're counting down the 10 most indestructible pickup trucks ever built. These aren't just tough trucks, they're machines that laugh at destruction. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which trucks can survive anything you throw at them and the crazy stories that prove it. Let's start with number 10 and work our way up to the absolute most indestructible truck that has literally become the stuff of legends. Number 10. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Silverado 2500 HD isn't just big, it's built like a tank. This truck has earned its spot on our list because it just refuses to quit. We're talking about a pickup that regularly crosses the 500,000-mile mark without breaking a sweat. The secret sauce here is Chevy's approach to building these workhorses. They didn't overcomplicate things. The Silverado 2500 HD comes with proven diesel engines that have been tested in the real world by contractors, farmers, and anyone who needs a truck that won't let them down when money is on the line. What makes this truck special is its frame. Chevy built this thing with a fully box steel frame that can handle massive loads without twisting or bending. The suspension components are designed to take a beating day after day. Salt, snow, heavy loads, rough terrain. This truck just keeps going. Real owners report running these trucks with over 400,000 miles and still using them for heavy towing every single day. That's not just reliability, that's indestructibility. Number 9. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Here's where things get serious. The F-350 Super Duty has earned a reputation as the truck that just won't die. In fact, recent studies show it has a 49.1% chance of lasting over 250,000 miles, which is more than double the average for all vehicles. What makes the F-350 nearly indestructible isn't just one thing, it's everything working together. The frame is built from high-strength steel that's designed to handle commercial-grade abuse. The diesel engines in these trucks are legendary for their longevity. But here's what really sets the F-350 apart. It's built for people who depend on their truck to make a living. Construction crews, towing companies, ranchers. These people can't afford downtime. Ford engineered this truck knowing it would be pushed to its absolute limits every single day. The real proof is in the numbers. These trucks regularly hit 400,000, 500,000, even 600,000 miles while still working hard. That's not maintenance. That's engineering. Number 8. GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The Sierra 2500 HD is GMC's answer to anyone who thinks trucks can't be both sophisticated and indestructible. This truck brings together advanced technology with old-school durability. What makes the Sierra special is its engine options. Whether you go with the Duramax diesel or one of the V8 gas engines, you're getting power plants that have been refined over decades. These aren't experimental engines. They're proven workhorses with thousands of hours of real-world testing behind them. The Sierra's frame uses advanced materials and construction techniques that make it incredibly resistant to damage. The truck can handle massive towing loads, rough terrain, and extreme weather conditions without showing signs of stress. GMC owners are some of the most loyal truck buyers in the world, and there's a good reason for that. These trucks just don't quit. Many owners report driving their Sierras for 20, 30, even 40 years without major mechanical failures. Number 7. Ford F-250 Super Duty. The F-250 sits right in the sweet spot between capability and everyday usability. This truck has proven itself to be nearly indestructible while still being comfortable enough for daily driving. Ford's engineering team spent years perfecting the F-250's balance. It needed to be tough enough for commercial use, but refined enough for families. The result is a truck that can handle anything you throw at it without sacrificing comfort or reliability. The F-250's diesel engines are particularly impressive. These power plants are designed to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance. The turbocharger systems are built to handle extreme conditions, and the fuel systems are engineered for longevity. What really makes the 250 indestructible is its electrical system. While many modern trucks suffer from electrical gremlins, Ford designed the F-250's wiring and computer systems to handle harsh environments. This truck can sit outside in extreme weather for years and still fire up every time. Number 6. Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Don't let its smaller size fool you. The Colorado ZR2 is built to survive conditions that would destroy bigger trucks. This is a truck that was engineered from the ground up to handle extreme off-road abuse. The ZR2's frame is reinforced in all the critical areas. The suspension uses advanced dampers that can handle massive impacts without failure. The skid plates protect vital components from rocks, logs, and anything else the trail throws at the truck. But here's what makes the ZR2 truly indestructible. It's designed to be reparable in the field. Many of the components can be fixed or replaced with basic tools. That means even if something does break, you're not stranded. Desert racers and extreme off-road enthusiasts have put the ZR2 through conditions that would destroy most vehicles, and it keeps coming back for more. This is a truck that laughs at obstacles. Number 5. Ram 2500 Power Wagon. The Power Wagon isn't just tough, it's overbuilt in all the right ways. This truck comes from the factory with equipment that most people have to add aftermarket. Winch, skid plates, electronic disconnecting sway bar, and extreme duty suspension. What makes the Power Wagon special is its approach to durability. Instead of making parts lighter to save weight, Ram made them stronger to handle abuse. The frame is reinforced, the suspension components are commercial grade, and the drivetrain is built for extreme conditions. The Power Wagon's engine is a proven V8 that has been refined over years of development. It's not the most powerful engine available, but it's one of the most reliable. This engine can run for hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance. Real-world testing shows the Power Wagon can handle extreme off-road conditions that would leave other trucks broken on the trail. The combination of mechanical simplicity and robust construction makes this truck nearly bulletproof. Number 4. Ford Ranger. The Ranger proves that you don't need to be huge to be indestructible. This compact pickup has been refined over decades to be one of the most reliable trucks ever built. What makes the Ranger special is Ford's focus on simplicity and reliability. The truck uses proven engines, proven transmissions, and proven suspension components. There are no experimental technologies or untested systems, just solid engineering. The Ranger's frame is designed to handle abuse while keeping weight reasonable. The suspension can handle heavy loads and rough terrain without breaking down. The electrical systems are simple and reliable. But the real proof of the Ranger's indestructibility comes from its use around the world. This truck has been tested in conditions ranging from African deserts to Arctic tundra, and it keeps working. Commercial users depend on the Ranger because it simply doesn't break down. Number 3. Nissan Frontier. The Frontier might not get the attention of some other trucks, but it has quietly built a reputation as one of the most indestructible pickups ever made. This truck just refuses to break. Nissan's approach with the Frontier was to perfect the basics rather than chase the latest trends. The result is a truck with proven engines, reliable transmissions, and suspension systems that can handle decades of abuse. The Frontier's engine is particularly impressive. It's a naturally aspirated V6 that has been refined over years of development. No turbochargers to fail, no complex systems to break. Just a simple, reliable engine that starts every time. What makes the Frontier truly indestructible is its electrical simplicity. While other manufacturers add complex systems that can fail, Nissan kept the Frontier's electronics simple and reliable. This truck can sit for months and still start on the first try. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma has built a legendary reputation for reliability and durability. This truck consistently ranks at the top of reliability studies, and for good reason. It's engineered to last decades. Toyota's approach to building the Tacoma focuses on long-term durability over short-term performance. Every component is tested extensively before it goes into production. The result is a truck that can handle extreme conditions while requiring minimal maintenance. The Tacoma's frame is designed to resist corrosion and handle heavy loads. The suspension components are built to last hundreds of thousands of miles. The engines are conservative in their tune, which means they run for decades without major repairs. But what really sets the Tacoma apart is Toyota's attention to detail. Every bolt, every gasket, every electrical connection is designed to last. This truck doesn't just survive harsh conditions, it thrives in them. Number 1. Toyota Hilux. And here we are at number 1. The Toyota Hilux, the most indestructible pickup truck ever built. This isn't just an opinion, it's been scientifically proven in the most extreme way possible. You might know the story from Top Gear. They took a 13-year-old Hilux with 190,000 miles on it and tried everything they could think of to destroy it. They drove it downstairs, crashed it into trees, hit it with a wrecking ball, set it on fire, dropped a caravan on it, and even put it on top of a building that was being demolished. After every single test, the Hilux kept running. It looked terrible, but the engine never quit. In the end, they put it back together with basic hand tools and drove it away. But the Top Gear test isn't what makes the Hilux legendary, it's just what proved what people already knew. This truck has been battle-tested in some of the harshest conditions on Earth for decades. The Hilux's secret is simplicity. Toyota engineered this truck to be as basic as possible, while still being incredibly tough. The inline four-cylinder engine is one of the most reliable engines ever built. You could run it without oil for thousands of miles, and it would keep going. The frame is overbuilt for the truck size. The suspension is simple but effective. The electrical system is basic and reliable. Every component is designed to work in extreme conditions with minimal maintenance. Around the world, the Hilux is the truck of choice for people who absolutely cannot afford to break down. Military forces, aid organizations, miners, farmers, they all depend on the Hilux because it simply doesn't quit. What makes the Hilux truly indestructible isn't any single component, it's the philosophy behind its design. Toyota built this truck to last forever, and they succeeded. The numbers prove it. Hilux trucks regularly cross the 500,000-mile mark. Many run for 30, 40, even 50 years with basic maintenance. There are Hilux trucks still working today that were built in the 1970s. That's not just durability, that's immortality. So there you have it, the 10 most indestructible pickup trucks ever built. From the tough-as-nails Silverado to the legendary Toyota Hilux, these trucks prove that when engineering meets determination, you can build machines that last forever. But here's the thing. While these trucks are incredibly tough, they still need proper maintenance to reach their full potential. Regular oil changes, proper care, and attention to detail will help any truck on this list reach those legendary mileage numbers. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more, as it helps me greatly.